morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic week. I guess we're going to be making this a open house series. Here's another great story and a great testimonial as to why you should be doing open houses. I've had the opportunity to work with some great agents throughout the years, and two of them in particular really stick out because they were so dedicated to doing open houses. I'd say they were doing 2 to 3 open houses a week, ranging in times, days, weekends, whatever it might be. Whenever they were free, they would just throw out some open house signs and conduct business from an open house, right? Within 4 months of them compounding their efforts of doing 2 or 3 open houses, 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 follow. Those two closed over 9 sales in 1 month. I think one agent in particular had 9, the other agent had 2 or 3. The other agent was a brand new agent, right? So within 6 months, she had several in escrow, and these were just compounding on top of it. So she had 3, the other had 9. Add them together, the two of them actually closed 12 homes within 1 month. That is 3 times more than your average agent closes in a year, and that is a whole year's worth of business for a lot of agents. If you want to close 12 homes in 1 month, simply do 2 to 3 open houses a week, and your business will explode. Have an awesome week.